Do you expect a correction in a lot of the markets?
Well, I think we've seen a correction.
But is that it, or is it?
No, I think next year is going to be tough. I don't really see, the return to these liquidity-fueled markets. So I think it's a good opportunity to get back to what I would term, as I've said earlier, basic stock picking and picking companies that on realistic valuations.
So you don't do industries. I mean, there was a huge sell-off overnight for a lot of the tech stocks, which was the suppliers of Apple, not really Apple. I mean, is that where you see opportunity? These kind of
I still think the valuations there are reasonably high. So yeah, I'd like to see them come back a bit. I mean, mainly because we didn't own many of them. So we'd like to see them come back a bit further. And that's definitely helped a lot of the active fund managers, especially the value fund managers, who have been caught by not owning a lot of these stocks, being underweight US, overweight emerging markets. So it's a healthy correction for a lot of fund managers.
Martin, how difficult is it to retain clients or get new clients? I know BlackRock recently won a big chunk of Deloitte's investment pile, right? How do you make up for that loss?
Yeah, I mean, I think, look, that was a different situation. That's not a normal sort of client relationship, and that was the subject of it is the subject of an arbitration process with Lloyd. So I can't really comment on that. But yeah, no, I mean, what I would term as gross sales for us as a company are pretty healthy. The issue we've got is because we've been a value quality house over the last 5 years, we've had really tough times in performance terms. But that has changed dramatically in the last 2 or 3 months, which is, of course, why I shouldn't really welcome a market fall, but why it's so helpful for us as a house.
So as a house, it's when the markets go down that you think you can value pick. Do your investors understand that?
Yeah, I think they do. Institutional investors do understand that, and I think that a lot of investors that we manage money for will have a growth house, a value house, a quality house. So they want a balanced roster of asset managers, and hopefully we now deliver what they expect during what I think will be more volatile markets for the next period of time. I don't just see the market correcting sharply now and going back up. I really do see it as being difficult.